Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Stephanie. Y'all, I got my May Ipsy Boxycharm by Ipsy. Just got home from work. I picked this up at the post office. I was within 5 minutes of them closing because they close promptly at 5. Yeah, and I think pretty sure I know everything that's in here. I did do a couple of picks. You get to pick 3 out of the 5 items. 2 items they pick for you. You go in and they show you what they picked for you. They give you, you get 3 options, and each option has 5-ish choices or something like that to pick from, 5 or 6, I can't remember. Sometimes they're great, sometimes they're not so great, and you only get to pick from those items. So, sadly, in many cases, I feel like it's the best of the worst in some of the choices, but sometimes they're pretty good. So, it's big. I think it's because the palette that they picked for me is kind of wide palette. So I'm excited there's a palette in here. I'm pretty sure there is. Okay, I gotta cut it open. So this is a pretty good sized box. They don't normally come this big, so it's a nice size. Or nice sign due to the size. Here's what it looks like. My token piece of packing material. Okay. Here's the Boxycharm newsletter that you get in your box. The Secret Garden is the May 2024 theme. It's plant-based, botanical stuff, so you know you're going to get a lot of like botanical makeup and skincare. Plant-powered glow, botanical aromas, and looks that bloom. Dig into your box. There's a QR code to learn more. Let's see. Behind May's theme, the Secret Garden. Indulge in an oasis of plant-powered skincare essentials, vibrant palettes that mimic radiant blooms, and more. They have a couple of products called out on here. A Murad product. They have the palette. They have a botanical sugar plum body polish. Save the dates. So these are the important dates. May 23rd through the 27th is the Shop Memorial Day sale. So they're going to have a sale for Memorial Day. June 1st through 3rd, you can do your picks to build your box. Let's see here. What else we got? Add to cart. Talking about some add-on options. Peeks at June's choice lineup, which is interesting. We've got superfood avocado and kiwi maga moisture 3-in-1 leave-in spray. This is hair. Just Zaymenia. It's a lipstick or blush highlighter. That's interesting. Lipstick blush highlighter hybrid. It's a tube. You got half-caked eye-defying zero-gravity mascara, secure brow eyebrow pencil, the Real Haya panthenol serum. They've got in here a lip paint in the color latte. It is what it is. There's our options. So there's that. I'll quickly show you the inside. We'll start over here. Maybe I got to back it out a little. Kind of show you both sides. It's okay, it's not like you're not going to get all the details on everything in your product box, unlike you used to, but whatever. Okay, first product is here. Grande Cosmetics Grande Brow 2-in-1 Tinted Gel Brow Enhancing Serum. White text on a peach colored box. Super difficult to read. So there's that. And then they have orange on orange in the back. So that's really fun to read with tiny text. They clearly don't want you to actually read this very well. And part of it is my ring light is turned up really, really bright. So it's very intense. But, okay. Yeah. Grande Brow 2-in-1, Tinted Gel and Brow Enhancing Serum. I can't remember if I picked this or not. That's what I mean by like... Instantly, 97% said it fills in sparse areas with color. I think I did pick this because I was like, why not? I can use it. I do tend to use a brow pencil a little bit to darken up. You guys, I put a tinted SPF, physical SPF on my brows. So it's kind of like putting, sort of like putting a like a foundation on your brows. So like where areas that are really sparse, it's just really sparse. So I always just color them in. I know I picked these because, you know, these can go in a giveaway. We've got some nice brushes. So let me see what it says here. Ooh, hard to read. Eyeshadow brush, definer brush, and tapered blending. So yeah, eyeshadow, let's see, what did they call this one? The definer and then the tapered blending brush. So nice, very nice. I should keep those together. Next one is Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. And this is 1 fluid ounce, which tells me there is probably a lot of air in here. Yeah, Luminizer Primer. So, recommends apply on clean, moisturized skin. Use alone for a natural bounce of light in the skin or under makeup to prep your skin for a flawless application AM and PM. Hope there's a safety seal. No, no safety seal. Nope, nope, nope. Of course not. Okay. Still usable. What do we got here? Defiance Beauty by... I can't read it. Somebody or another. Okay. My bad. Can't read it. Infinity Liquid Eyeliner in Carbon Black. I'm probably the one who picked that because I'm like, why not? I know I'll use it. I have a million black eyeliners. And if they stink, then I get rid of them. But kind of a cool looking packaging, definitely. Not your standard just tube. Kind of a little shape to it. So cute. Defiance Black is the shade. Okay. Okay, then the best part, ooh, dropping it on my lavalier microphone. Best part of all of this is Ciate London big old palette. So this is why the box is so big. It's a big palette. And look, it's in a little bit of safety packaging. It's taped too. See if I can undo the tape. I guess we'll just cut it. Doesn't mean that just because they put it in this little bit of bubble wrap envelope that it's not completely busted. Because there was a big box and there was not a lot of product and there was not a lot of like padded packing material. So it's in a really nice, pretty purple box. So I have to read the back. It says, to all the amazing women, we see you, we hear you, and we celebrate you. This palette features a stunning range of 24 complementary eyeshadows. Each shade has been selected to create an array of looks and make you feel ready to take on the day. This sounds very promising. I'm a Woman, What's Your Superpower? Volume 2. 24 shades, it says. It's going to open. I do see the Leaping Bunny on the side. Says PETA approved. All right, pretty much the same looking palette, front and back. It does say on the back, made in China. So, okay, very pretty. Going to cover up the mirror. Going to pull off that Shade Saver. Very pretty. I'm getting strong vibes of some other beauty creators palettes, other brand palettes. Nothing looks busted, which I'm really happy about. I do see a lot of mattes and I do see a lot of shimmers. And I do believe two, maybe 3 that are like at least a dual chrome. But at least 1, I believe, is to be a dual chrome, but it's very pretty. That's a beautiful palette. And generally, Ciate London has been really, really, really nice. So, high-end, no, but very, very usable and very easy to use, yes, absolutely. So, cannot complain about that at all. I mean, honestly, that makes the box. So that's why the box was large. It's a large palette. I'm actually super happy it's not all broken because it was banging around inside that large box. So yeah, I think that makes the box, you know. What did they have to say about it? Because it was in here. We want you to feel as lush as a vintage garden with our floral-inspired palettes and shimmery gloss to perfection. To perfect your spring color collection. They said this MSRP on this $45. I think that's kind of high, but it's a good brand, so I could see it. I didn't get any of those other 2 items in here, so yeah, I mean, $25, no, $30 now for the box. $45 MSRP on that. It's a good palette. I like it. So then I got, like I said, the color is Enigma Carbon Black, and it's the Defiance Beauty. It is a, yes, liquid black eyeliner. We do have the Dr. brand, which is skincare. Usually they try to tell you it's extremely high priced. Honestly, it's okay. This is the Luminizer Primer. Something more to add into the layers that goes on your skin. Then we do have this brow, 2-in-1 brow tinted gel plus brow enhancing serum. I don't know. I think I bought it because I'm like, oh, I'll probably use it, but I don't know if I'll use it. Or I bought it. I picked it. And then I did pick these because these will very easily go into a giveaway. I have a million brushes. So, all right, y'all. Appreciate your time so much. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Please do double check that you're subscribed. And if you're new, of course, please do subscribe. Join my YouTube family. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on this, guys. Honestly, super loving the palette. And after that, everything's okay. So have a good one, guys. I should be doing another video soon. I actually went into the Ipsy shop and bought a couple items. No big deal. Those should be arriving. And then I did buy 1 item out of the TikTok shop that has already arrived. So I'm going to unbox those 2 together. It should be a short video because there's not a lot in there, but I thought I would do those together. So appreciate your time. Like I said, I hope you guys are having a great week. I will see you all on my next video. Bye, guys.